Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to be doing, getting rid of these old Rhino racks that I've got sitting on the tray, and we're going to be changing it for something a little bit different, so stay tuned. Alright, so first things first, we're going to take off the end caps, take off the top bars, that way we can remove the bases, so we can get to all these rivets in here and drill them out. Next, I'm just going to use some Christmas tree clips and cover up these holes. Alright, now that we've got those old rails removed, we're going to move on to my other system. Now all of you who watched my last video would have seen these two boxes sitting in my tray. This is my new rack system to carry my rooftop tent. Now I have talked about these in the past, and unfortunately I did have to open the box to make sure all my pieces were here. But I'll open it here for you now. Oh, look at that. So these are the PSR non-tilting rooftop tent carrier. So basically, and it's the wide leg system for your Rangers and stuff like that. They are pretty much universal because they've got adjusting bolts and everything like that. But they just sit on the side of the tray, one on each side, bar across, and then you've got the two, and then you can seat your rooftop tent on that. So I'm gonna mock these up and we'll see how they fit. Alright, now that we've got all this mocked up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to center these bits up here, tighten down the bolts, and then I'm going to mark the holes on the inside of the body and drill those out. Alrighty guys, so that's going to be it for today's video. I'm super happy with these PSR racks. They're a lot sturdier than those Rhino rack ones were. But that's nothing to do with Rhino rack because they don't actually make a rack system. It's just the way I installed it. I messed up and I used aluminium rivets instead of steel ones. Things like that, so it's nothing to do with Rhino rack. That was my bad. But I'm super happy with these PSR. They're purpose built. The reason I went with this height is so I can still look through the rear window. I do have a plan for a tonneau cover for this, so stay tuned for that in a later video. But I mean, just look at these. You move the entire vehicle and not the racks of the tray itself, so couldn't be happier with them. I will be installing the rooftop tent when I go on a camping trip, just because I don't want the tent sitting in the sun for ages. Plus it's not worth the extra fuel economy from dragging one of those things around. But that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like. Got any questions, drop a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.